Hello, dear students. A very good day to you all. I hope and believe that all of you are well by the grace of Almighty. You know, this is a very dangerous time in this pandemic situation. Coronavirus COVID 19 is on rise in our country. It is very infectious nowadays, so you should stay at home and always take proper food and do some regular exercise so that you can stay safe. So, welcome you all to online class. I'm Richard Gomez. I'll take English first paper of class 9 today. Information transfer and summary writing. That is question number 4 and 5 in your question pattern. So I will give two unseen passage, and from two unseen passage I will show two information transfer and also two summary writing. These all sample practice for you. The first one, read the passage of John Milton and complete the following table with information from the passage. John Milton was one of the famous poets in English literature. He was born on December 9, 1608 in London. At the age of 17, he went to Cambridge University for study, and after 7 years there he took MA degree from that university. The next 6 years he spent at Houghton in unprofessional study. In 1638 he started his foreign tour. In 1642 he married Mary Powell, a young girl of 17. But his wife died in 1652, leaving him with 3 daughters. So he married second time in 1656, but 2 years after his second wife also died. Of all his works, Paradise Lost is said to be the greatest. He finished composing this epic in 1664, but it was published 3 years later. By this time, he lost his eyesight. At the age of 66, he died on November 8, 1674. So this is the passage. The first question, that is information transfer, and the second one is summary writing. So the first question, the table is given here: who, what, event, activities, and when. So here are some gaps: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'm giving the answers here. Answer to question number 1. So John Milton, number 1, went to Cambridge University in 1625. Second one, he obtained MA degree in 1632. His second wife died in 1658. Number 4, Paradise Lost was published in 1667. Last one, it is the best or is the greatest work of John Milton. So this is the first question from the passage, unseen passage. This is information transfer. Now the summary writing. Number 2, write the summary of the above passage in your own words. Answer to question number 2. You know, in summary writing, you should write 1/3 of the passage, and the main points, you should highlight the main points from the passage. So here the sample summary is given. John Milton was a famous English poet. He took his MA degree at the age of 24 and married Mary Powell, a 17-year girl who died after 10 years of their marriage. Milton was left with 3 daughters at the time of his wife's death. He married in 1656, but again after 2 years his second wife died. His epic Paradise Lost was published in 1667. In 1674, this great poet died. So you can write off your own, but you should choose some points, main points from the passage, and then you should produce the summary writing, 1/3 of the passage. Now, number 3, the second unseen passage. Read the passage and complete the following table with the information of the text. In 1912, an American shipping company launched a new ship called Titanic. It was the largest and most luxurious ocean liner of the time. It weighed 46,000 tons and could carry about 2,200 passengers. Experts said that nothing could make it sink. On April 10, 1912, the ship sailed on its first voyage across the Atlantic. It sailed from Southampton in England to New York in the United States with 2,224 passengers of men, women, and children. On April 15, just before midnight, the ship struck the iceberg. The iceberg tore a great hole in the ship's side, and the unsinkable Titanic began to sink. There was a great alarm on board. Warning bells rang out. Everyone rushed to the lifeboat, but there was not enough room for them all. There was room for only 1,178 passengers. The lifeboats took mostly the women and children. It was a terrible scene. So this is another unseen passage, and on this passage, number 3 is information transfer, and last one, number 4, will be the summary writing. So here in the box table, who, what, situation, place, and time. So I'm reading out the answers. Answer to the question number 3. So Titanic sailed from Southampton in 1912 time. The ship struck the iceberg its first voyage, number 3, on April 15, 1912. Then number 4, Titanic began to sink, number 5, in the Atlantic Ocean on April 15, 1912. So this is all about number 3, the information transfer. Now the last question, we have the summary writing. Again, I am telling you should choose some basic points, main points from the passage, and 1/3 of the passage you should write. You should produce of your own, in your own language. You should not copy from the main passage. So write the summary of the above passage in your own words. So answer to the question number 4. A new ship named Titanic was launched by an American shipping company in 1912. It was then the largest ship in the world. The ship weighed 46,000 tons and could carry about 2,200 passengers. But unfortunately, the ship, striking a huge iceberg, sank on her first voyage with 2,224 passengers, comprising men, women, and children. A lot of human lives were lost. So this way you can practice information transfer and summary writing at home for your exam. And in this time, you should also study some extra book, that is, you should also gain some out knowledge. You can read different good books in English also, so that you can enrich your English. You can watch some good movies, and you should utilize your time properly. You should do some exercise regularly, and always have proper diet, balanced diet, so that you can remain safe and healthy all the times, especially in this pandemic situation. So until next class, goodbye. Stay home and be safe. Have a nice day. Thank you. Thank you all.